I'm going to show you how to replace an Acura Key FOB battery. It's easy to do yourself, so you don't have to go to the dealership to do this. This Acura Key FOB is used on the Acura MDX, RDX, TLX, NSX, RLX, ILX, and CDX. If the key fob looks like this or similar, this method will work for you. This key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt battery. Pro tip, you can find these batteries on Amazon for super cheap. You can get a whole sleeve of them for much cheaper than purchasing one at a retail store. First, you release the emergency key by sliding the release lever on the fob and pulling out the hard key. This style Acura key fob has the key release on the back, but the method is the same when the release is on the front of the Acura key fob. We're going to use the hard key to pry open the case. There are two easy ways to do this. You'll want to make sure the buttons are facing down. This prevents them from moving around and falling out of place. Insert the key end here in this groove and use it as a lever to pry open the case against the keyring eye. You can use a similar method just like this, also using the keyring eye. Keep pressure on the chipboard to prevent the buttons from moving around. Then, using a flathead screwdriver or pick, pry open and remove the battery. You reinstall the new battery with the plus side up where you can read the CR2032 on the battery. Then simply reinstall the case cover, snapping it back into place. There is no need to program the key fob, but make sure all the buttons are in place and do not stick. If the buttons fall out of place, just carefully put them back in place and reassemble. Links to the CR2032 batteries are in the video description and comments below. Buy these online and keep a sleeve in your glove box or console for the next time you see this indicator on your Acura. I hope this video helped. If so, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel to save it for the next time you need it.